So hi everyone, myself Nishan. So me and my personality is participating in the AI agent track for the Hedera Apex Hackathon. So I'm presenting you my product named Arcane, which is an agentic AI trading platform built on Hedera blockchain. So here are the table of contents for the pitch deck. What is the problem statement? So as you can see that 70 to 80% of retail traders lose money every year. Why was the reason? Because the platform traders can easily falsify performance data, and that's not just a gimmick, that's a fact. Web2 bots show signals in a database the company controls entirely. Metrics can be backfilled, cherry-picked, or fabricated. So what I mean to say that suppose there's a trading firm who uses AI trading bots, but thus they have a proof that the bots take the decision on themselves, or just the humans are taking decisions and uh, bots are taking bots are taking credibility for that. So also the second problem is institutional grade trading is accessible to 85% of retail. That's a fact. Not everyone trader is a technical person, and not everyone can trade. Not everyone can code to trade. You can build the Python scripts or API integrations, and some infrastructure most traders simply don't have. Crypto markets on 24/7, 365 days. So not every human, so not possible for every human to be live whole day, to not sleep. That's not completely not possible. Also sometimes the emotion override logic at the worst moments, making the penal statement worse. Also the if we talk about quant strategists, so they also have a problem, like they have a problem of intellectual property. They cannot, if they want to sell their strategy, how they will convince to the investment firms that their strategy work 100%? What is the what are the what is the proof for their transactions? Also these quant strategies lack lack the trust in the platform in selling their strategy, because anyone can reverse engineer it and claim that they own the strategy. Now let's jump why the web2 cannot solve this problem. What's the reason? Because 90 the numbers prove the problem. Why so? Because 90 crypto traders lose money. Retail traders 84 will lose everything first year alone. 242 billion in retail losses in 2024. You can see the impact is so huge, and also the loss is so much large. 500 billion plus users on retail trading platform globally. That's a fact, but the problem is 85% cannot code. That's the reason they lag behind the algo trading platform or any firm which uses algorithm trades, and they cannot compete with them, and ultimately they lose the hope in trading. So why the web2 is structured in capital? As you can see, I've prepared a case study for it. You can see the 3 commas platform which have a 10 user leaked from their own database until they don't take the accountability until the Binance publicly warned the user to disconnect. You can see the central database can be hacked or fabricated. No proof that a signal was issued before outcome ever existed. So what is the market size and hidden potential? You can see 741 million crypto exist till 2025, growing 12.4 CAGR. Also 256 DeFi market is projected to grow by 23 and the 43% CAGR. Algorithmic trading market share is 44.5 billion. So the market cap, so the rise in market cap size is immense, and growth potential is also quite high. But the problem is, the market exists, the users exist, but what didn't exist was a platform where performance is cryptographically verified and impossible to fake, like our platform Arcane. So let me just introduce to our product named Arcane. So what is an Arcane? It is an AI-powered trading agent platform built on Hedera Hashgraph. It runs autonomously by taking the plain English as a prompt, and there is no code, no servers, and no type of trust required from the user side. Every signal, every decision, every trade is permanently recorded on chain. That's a major advantage over the Web 2 solutions, because this provide a leverage to the all the user, or also the quant strategists, to sell their strategies and providing the complete proof. Also, what are the core features for the platform? One is the natural language agent creation. They can public in plain English, and also so it is in tamper-proof. For the I use HCS for auditing, for providing the timestamp before the agent execute and trade. Uses the HTS NFT to list down my strategy, to list down my agent on the NFT marketplace, on-chain audit trail, and live performance analytics. So what is the how does Hedera came into the picture? So here I use 4 Hedera most important services to build this platform. First is the Hedera Consensus Service. So what does this say? That that take median of all network nodes and gives a timestamp to the timestamp, and acts as the agent topic before any agent execute the trade, and it mathematically impossible to alter. And also you can see the advantage that it costs basically 10 to the power minus 4 per message. And also you can see the comparison with Ethereum and on the Hedera platform. Also next is I use HTS service. Why so? Because to mint the NFT, I've used the HTS service, and also the 5% royalty is enforced whenever someone purchases your NFT. Also you can see what is the advantage. The transfer cost, the finality means how much time to take to mint an NFT, which is quite low compared to Ethereum, and also the royalties. Next, it is HFS and HCS, what is Hedera Smart Contract Service and Hedera File Service. So it is used to store the data on the Hedera blockchain, and everything is on chain. And also Hedera Smart Contract, which used to deploy a smart contract. Now HCS chain is used to query the data from the hashcan, and also every agent needs to communicate to the hashgraph SDK using the HCS10 protocol. You can go through the pitch deck to understand more about the service. Let's talk about business opportunity. So you can see the market was immense. What's the problem? You can see the algorithmic trading market could take over $44 billion, and the 11.3 CAGR is the growth. Also retail traders globally, but the problem is the retail traders for majority, like 85%, cannot code. So that's biggest market potential for my platform Arcane to cater this audience. Also 90% retailers lose money. That's also another advantage of solving this type of problem. You can see the product market is validated. There's also a new product launch in the Web 2 named Valby. In just 14 weeks, 50 plus brokers launched copy trading products. 2024 alone, 2.9 million users onboarded this platform in just 14 weeks. You can see the potential in Web 3. This whole trust issue, and also the NFT marketplace can provide a complete so this is my platform Arcane. This is an autonomous AI trading agent which logs all the details on the on-chain and runs on Hedera blockchain. You can see all the details of the agents, like how much NFT minted, trading decisions, the workflow, and price analysis of each and everything. You just connect my wallet, use my hashback account to pay my DApp. You can go Delta, Pair. Yeah, I've rerouted to the HBAR. This is my account ID, this is my topic ID, and this is my HBAR balance. So now these are the options, or I can click on view for a particular agent. Also I can click the view analytics dashboard to see my agent chart, or average loss, expectancy, profit factor, each and everything about my agent. also the HTS signal. So let me just back to the agent, go to the agents tab. Let's just create an agent. So you can either write a custom prompt, or you can use a pre-built prompt for any strategy, So let me just take this strategy, wait for a few seconds. So yeah, my API response is completed. I have a config.json. Let's just click on deploy on Hedera. I just approve the file create. Then wait for a few seconds. As you can see, now let's just approve for the creating topic on the for the HCS service, which is Hedera Consensus Service, and let us execute on the smart contract. As you can see, my balance wallet is also been updating as the transaction is progress. Wait for a second. You can see my agent has been deployed. Now I can list this agent on NFT marketplace. Also, either I can execute the manual sign, means I want to execute a trade right now, or you can go with the auto trade, means the agent will be executed autonomously. So now we need to let me check that the trade is executing or not. Back in run trade, wait for a few seconds, and wait for a few seconds to see my trade agent is currently executing, and I can see that one trade has been executed with the whole position, and also all the details have been listed below with the confidence and the price. Now I can leave all the auto trade for now, and let me just list this my agent as an NFT. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, why so? So you can see this in error because I need to have minimum of 6 trade minimum of 7 trades for an agent to list this agent on the as an NFT. So let me just pick one agent which have a minimum of 7 transaction or 7 trades. So yeah, I can see this agent view. So this is already listed on the NFT marketplace. Same for, let me see another other agent if I find. Yeah, this agent has not been listed. So let me just list on NFT. Wait for a few seconds. So yeah, this agent also been listed on NFT. That's why it is showing some error. So right now I can go to the marketplace and see all the agent which has been listed. You see this agent has been listed by me. I can go to visit the hashcan to see all the details and log. This also see 7 HCS decision, means 7 trade has been executed by this agent. Now I want to purchase the NFT, so I will do disconnect. I will connect with a different account. In my hashback wallet, pair with my different account. Yeah, paired. I can go, and what I need to do, I need to go to the marketplace. I need to click on the is agent to purchase NFT. Yeah, I can go ahead and do that. Just wait for a few seconds. But the problem is already I've taken few large amount of seconds, so this trade could take some delay. So yeah, because the API request takes too long, so that's why this trade got rejected because of OTP verification. But that's not a complete issue. We need to take care, because this agent I've already purchased some agents. Like you can see this agent, I purchased it from the NFT marketplace. You can see it has written the copy, and the execution will pause for now. I can resume from here. I can see all the trade ID, etc. So yeah, that sums up all my product.